How to delete comments on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete comments on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, just scroll down and select your activity. And now here inside this section, if you scroll down there, you'll see the option labeled as comments. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, it will show you the list of all the comments that you have done on Instagram so far. So from here, you can simply find the comments that you want to delete. And now here, once you've found that, you can just tap on that particular comments option and it will take you directly to the site. Now here, once you've found your comments, you can just long press on it. And now here, once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just select delete, and that's it. That's how you can delete your comments on Telegram, on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.